Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 5th October 2025. Title of Murli. To apply the red color of this knowledge and the color of the virtues and powers of God's company is to celebrate the true holy. This Murli was delivered on 3rd March 2007 on the occasion of Holi. Bap Dada said, "On this day, people of the world color their bodies with physical colors, but you souls have been colored with the divine company of the Supreme Father. Through this, the soul has become imbued with the color of purity, the fragrance of knowledge, the hue of virtues, and the power of divine strength, the very colors that have transformed you into deities." Baba then asked, "Do you always remain combined with the Father?" Many children have made the Father their companion, yet they do not always take full benefit of His company, and in this, they differ number ways. The reason is that even now, they consider what belongs to Ravan, the vices, as their own. They say, "Baba, what can I do? These are my sanskars." Baba replied, "When you have become the living dead, how can those old sanskars still be yours? Now, the Father's sanskars are your sanskars, for your aim itself is to become equal to the Father." Finally, Baba said, "When the two wings of courage and zeal and enthusiasm are strong and true, you can travel across the 3 worlds in a second. Never give up courage. The Father's promise is, for every step of courage you take, the Father will take 1,000 steps of help towards you." Blessing for today. May you become constantly soul conscious and, by experiencing love and having the stage of being absorbed in love, forget everything else. Details are: let there be love in your awareness and your state so that you remain absorbed in love in your actions, words, connections and relationships. You will then forget everything else and become soul conscious. Love brings you into a close relationship with the Father and makes you into a full renunciate. With this speciality of love and with the stage of being absorbed in love, you can awaken the fortune and luck of all souls. This love is the key to the lock of luck. This is a master key. With this key, you can make any unfortunate soul fortunate. Slogan is, when you fix the moment for your own transformation, world transformation will then automatically take place. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Experiment on yourself and others with your mind with the powers of yoga. The mirror of the power of the mind is your words and actions. Whether it is souls without this knowledge or souls who have this knowledge, when in a relationship or connection with either of them, let your words and actions be full of good wishes and pure feelings. Those who have pure and powerful minds will automatically have pure and powerful words and actions. When you have a powerful mind, it means the power of your remembrance will be elevated and powerful, and you will be an easy yogi.